10 Ideas to Make Money as a Teenager. Hi everyone, today I'm going to share 10 practical, real, and creative ideas to make money as a teenager. Why this topic? Because we don't have to wait until we're adults to start generating income. We can do it now, taking advantage of what we already know how to do. 1. Selling products online. What to sell? Used clothing, accessories, and handmade products. Here's how to do it. 1. Used clothing. Go through your closet and look for clothes you no longer wear, but that are in good condition. Think about seasonal clothing or pieces that are in fashion. Make sure it has no stains, rips, or damage. If it's not your size, don't worry. Many people look for second-hand clothing. 2. Accessories, bracelets, necklaces, rings, backpacks, purses, glasses, etc. If you like fashion accessories, you can sell some of your own designs or those you no longer wear. 3. Handmade products. If you're good at crafts or have some creative skills, you can make and sell products such as jewelry bracelets, rings, necklaces, etc. Art drawings, paintings, illustrations, room decorations, painted pots, pictures, personalized pillows, etc. Custom clothing, hand-painted t-shirts, for example accessories such as backpacks, phone cases, or headbands. Where to sell? Instagram. Create a dedicated account for your products. Use a simple, straightforward name that's related to what you're selling. Post clear, attractive photos. Quality matters. Use good lighting and show the product from different angles. Take advantage of Instagram stories to show the manufacturing process if it's handmade, or to announce new products. Use popular hashtags to increase your visibility. Vintage fashion, hashtag handmade, hashtag crafts, etc. You can use Instagram shopping if you have a store set up, or simply include your prices in your posts. Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is an ideal platform for selling products close to your area. Many buyers prefer to pick things up in person, which can save you on shipping costs. When creating a listing, be sure to include a clear product description, price, condition, and an attractive photo. Review the products you sell well so buyers trust you. Make sure you respond quickly to messages and questions from interested parties. WhatsApp. If you have a contact list, you can start selling directly to them. Create a sales group or send product catalogs on your WhatsApp status or to a group of friends. If you have a small WhatsApp store, you could include a product catalog or photos, add prices and descriptions, and start offering promotions or discounts. Other platforms. Vinted specializes in used clothing and second-hand accessories, very popular in several countries. Mercado Libre or eBay. If you live in Latin America or other countries, these platforms can be ideal for selling larger products. Etsy. If you make handmade products, Etsy is the most popular platform for selling artistic or handcrafted creations. How to prepare your products for sale. Product photography. Make sure you have quality photos. If you're selling clothing, use mannequins or models. You can ask a friend to help you. If you're selling small items such as bracelets, rings, or art, use close-ups and show all the details. Always show the product from multiple angles so buyers can see all perspectives. Clear descriptions. Clearly explain what the product is, its condition, size, colors, and materials. If it's handmade, explain the process. Be honest about any defects or wear and tear. Transparency builds trust. Pricing. Research how much similar products are selling for to ensure the price is fair. If it's handmade, consider the cost of materials and the time invested. Consider shipping costs. If you don't include them in the price, be sure to mention them in the description to avoid misunderstandings. Payment and shipping methods. Payment methods. Accept popular methods like PayPal, bank transfers, or even Bizum if available in your country. If you sell locally, you could accept cash or payments with apps like Venmo or Cash App if available. Shipping. Offer secure shipping options like Correios, FedEx, or DHL, or platforms like Envy.com. If the product is small, you can use padded envelopes to protect it during shipping. In the product description, clearly mention shipping costs and approximate delivery times. Tips for success in online sales. Be consistent. Post regularly and keep your store active. Visibility is key. Promote your products. You can use your personal networks to promote your store. Post on your Instagram stories or share in Facebook groups related to what you sell. Offer discounts or promotions. If you sell on a platform like Instagram, you can offer exclusive discounts to your followers or run buy one, get two promotions. Customer service. Always respond quickly to messages and maintain a good relationship with your buyers. A good experience always leads to future recommendations. Selling products online is one of the easiest and most accessible ways to make money as a teenager. With the right tools, you can start generating income without investing much. You just need creativity, perseverance, and the desire to offer something that other people need or want. 2. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you love animals, this is for you. You can offer pet walking or pet sitting services to your neighbors or family members. Many people work all day or go on vacation and need someone they can trust. That could be you. 3. Give classes or tutoring. Are you good at math, English, spelling? You can help other kids improve and charge by the hour. You can even teach classes via Zoom or Google Meet if they don't want to do it in person. Your knowledge counts. 4. Create content on social media. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. If you like speaking, acting, dancing, or teaching something, you can create content and start building a community. At first, you won't earn money directly, but if you're consistent, you can monetize over time. That's how many people start these days. 5. Design digital things. Do you know how to use Canva, Photoshop, or any design app? You can make logos, flyers, invitation cards, and social media posts and sell them. Many small businesses need this kind of help. 6. Do neighborhood jobs. There are simple jobs that don't require experience: washing cars, cleaning yards, mowing lawns, helping with shopping. The important thing is to be reliable and charge fairly. It's a quick way to make money and gain your neighbor's trust. 7. Sell desserts or snacks. Brownies, cookies, gelatin, nachos, popcorn. If you know how to make something delicious, you can sell it at school or on your blog. Homemade stuff sells very well. Make sure it's well presented. 8. Resell products. Buy candy, accessories, supplies, or popular products in bulk and resell them individually. For example, bracelets, poppets, stickers, kawaii things, etc. It's a classic business, but very effective. 9. Create and sell art or crafts. If you like art, you can sell your drawings, paintings, portraits, stickers, or make things like bracelets, keychains, or clay figures. Post your creations on social media or ask friends for recommendations. Your talent is valuable. 10. Virtual assistant. Many adults or entrepreneurs need help with tasks like organizing schedules, answering messages, scheduling content, etc. If you're organized, you can offer yourself as a mini virtual assistant and charge for weekly tasks. Believe me, there are people who will pay for it. Tips. You don't have to create all 10 ideas. Start with the one that most appeals to you. Be consistent, offer good service, and treat your customers well. Keep track of the money you earn and spend wisely. And remember, it's not just about the money. You're also learning super useful things for your future. Well, those were my 10 ideas for making money as a teenager. Which was your favorite? Are you already trying any of them? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.